In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the form calculation widget in Jotform. Whether you're looking to streamline your data collection with automated calculations or simply want to enhance your form's functionality, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started and make your form smarter than ever. First things first, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. If you haven't already, open your preferred web browser, navigate to the Jotform website, and enter your credentials. This will bring you to your dashboard where you can see all your existing forms. Now let's move on to opening the form you want to edit. Browse through your list of forms until you find the one you wish to add calculations to. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on Edit Form. This will bring you to the form builder, where all the magic happens. Now that your form is open in edit mode, it's time to add the calculation widget. To do this, look to the left panel of the screen, where you'll see an option labeled Widgets. Click on it to view all the widgets available to enrich your form. We are focusing on calculations today, so in the search bar at the top of the panel, swiftly type in Form Calculation to narrow down the options. There it is. See how easy that was? Now simply drag and drop this widget right into your form where you want the calculation to appear. After placing the widget on your form, you can customize its functionality to suit your needs. Click on the widget, and you will notice that the Widget Settings panel has appeared. Here you can add the fields you want to include in your calculations and set up your calculation formula. This is where you'll define what mathematical operations you'll be performing. For example, if you're calculating the total price of a set of items, you might add fields for the cost of each item, and then set the formula to add these values together. The panel is intuitive, and you'll also find helpful tools on the right if you need assistance in setting up more complex equations. Once you've set up your fields and entered your formula, take a moment to review and ensure everything looks good. If you're satisfied with the setup, you're ready to move forward, so go ahead and click Save. This will integrate your calculations with the rest of your form, ensuring your data is computed accurately every time someone fills it out. And there you have it. You've successfully added a form calculation widget to your Jotform. Now every time someone uses your form, the calculations will be performed automatically, saving you both time and effort. Feel free to experiment with different formulas and calculations to really make your form work best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask. Happy form building!